Hi everyone, Sarah here from the Learning Store, and today I'm going to show you how to make this leprechaun craft for St. Patrick's Day. So you're going to need a large 9-inch paper plate, a sheet of green card, a sheet of orange card, a roll of stick-on eyes, some glue, so I used Pritt Stick but you can use PVA glue, a black marker and scissors, and I used these paper shamrocks. They're pre-cut out. So first what you're going to do is take the sheet of orange card, and what I did was I just ripped off little squares of the paper, and I ripped loads off, and then I glued them on as the leprechaun's beard. And then for the hat, I'm going to show you how I did the hat. So if you want to be really precise, you can use a ruler, but I didn't. So you do a little line up like this, and then a line across, and you kind of match it on this side. So a little line up and a little line across. And it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, that's all right too. And then a longer line up, a line across, and back up again. So you can see that's the shape it's after making. Then what I did was along the kind of brim of the hat here, I drew a line and then another one about an inch up from that, and I coloured that in black. Then I cut that out and I glued it onto the paper plate, and then I stuck on a little shamrock from this pack. So you can use the bigger ones or the smaller ones, it doesn't really matter. And then you're going to take your roll of stick-on eyes and pick a set of eyes. And then take your black marker, you can draw his nose, and I'm going to give him a smile because I think this leprechaun is going to be a happy leprechaun. So there's your little leprechaun craft for St. Patrick's Day. If you do decide to recreate it, please tag us if you put up a photo, or you can send us a photo in Messenger or anything like that. We'd love to see, and it's always good to get your feedback. Thanks very much for watching.